Now let's initialize the smart contract. First of all, we need to create a new contract that inherits from ERC21 URI storage extension. We import it from OpenZeppelin. We can do it by using this keyword. So here, let's create a smart contract. Now, set a content initialize a string and counters library. There it is. Inside a string and counter library. In this case, using a string for uint 256 means we are associating all the methods inside the string library to the uint 256 type. We'll learn more about the libraries to types here. We can read more about it here on the OpenZeppelin forum. The same applies to the using counter or for counter or counter line. You can read more about it in this forum. Now that we initialize our libraries, declare a new token ID function that we need to store our NFT IDs. Okay, let's initialize it here. Token ID. The last global variable we need to declare is token ID to levels mapping, which will use to store the level of NFT associated with the tokens. Here we are taking the mapping. Here we have an index of integer and the value is also integer. Name of mapping is token ID to levels. The mapping will link uint to 56 the NFT ID to another uint, the level of NFT. Next, we'll need to declare the constructor function of our smart contract. Now let's create a constructor function. Here it is. So now our contract looks like this. Yes, it is. Now let's move on. Now that we have a foundation of an NFT smart contract, we'll need to implement 4 different functions. Generate character to generate and update the SVG image of our NFT, get levels to get the current level of NFT, get token URI to get the token URI of an NFT, mint to mint to NFT, of course, to mint NFT, and of course train to train an NFT and raise its level. Let us start from the first function that will take an SVG, convert it into base64 data and save it on chain. But first we should spend a couple of words understanding why SVG can be used to save on chain images and what's your relations with base64 data. So what are SVGs and why they matter?